Welcome guys to the first chef competition. We start with a group competition. So the yard chefs against the village chefs. You need to work together. You'll be creating a starter and a main course using mystery box ingredients. Then it's the individual competition. You all have requested the ingredients. So your signature recipe, and there's a mini mystery box that you'll use to craft the desserts. These are the mystery boxes, and the mystery boxes are delivered by Gourmet. Hey guys, have you decided what you're going to make?
Absolutely, we have already a couple of ideas. We decided to make only starter, we're going to make main course, and we're going to see how it goes, the timing.
Sounds amazing, good luck guys. And I'm looking at the village chefs. Hey guys, have you guys decided what you're going to do?
We have the starter already closed.
Yeah?
And now we are thinking about the main.
We're full at the chef competition. I see someone from Gourmet Deliveries. How many boxes of ingredients did you bring down?
We have at this for the starter 2 boxes and 2 boxes for the main menu, and after you have the dessert 6 boxes, and after we have some surprises.
Wow, and then and we're gonna have a little walk around, so you got all the ingredients here, and in the pantry, and down on the other side, there's so many ingredients, it's very, very impressive. Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola.
¿Todo bien? Everything okay?
Sí, sí, todo bien, todo bien. Aquí vamos preparando un poquito las ideas, asemblando.
Okay. So, good. To say they're preparing and everything is assembling together. Do you have a good team? Buen equipo?
Buen equipo, siempre buen equipo. Sí.
Okay, so they're happy with the team. Let's see how that works out. Look at all these amazing ingredients that we have down here. It's a chef's dream. How's it working out as a team so far?
Excellent, excellent. We made a plan at the beginning and we're each working on our own dish.
Fantastic. I'll let you continue with your dish. We're 15 minutes away from plating. 15 minutes to plating. Let me ask you quickly, how are things going?
It's going along.
Yeah. You're quite relaxed still, aren't you?
Well, you don't have a choice, so you have to cook, it's fine. Working together, playing with the language.
Fantastic. Playing with language, that's a very interesting thought. How are things working along?
Yeah, really good. Yeah, we're doing well. It's come up with an idea really quickly, which was nice, and we're just kind of gelling, adding a bits and bobs of our own styles into one dish. It's a lot of fun.
So, you happy with your team?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, very happy.
So, we're ready for the judging of round 1 and the team effort. We've got team 1, team 2, starter and the main. So, but Helen, what's your first impression?
Lovely, nice presentation. I guess we need to taste to see, but the presentation's lovely on both the dishes.
What do you think, Barry?
Yeah, good presentation skills. I particularly like the look of this one here. And on this side, this one here. But yeah, and the meat's cooked well.
Good. And Mia, you want to add something to that?
Same, I like the presentation a lot. I see lots of fresh ingredients and I quite like that. Meaty dish, also good, so we'll see.
I think it's time to taste. Don't forget, the sauce goes with the starter, so please, it needs to be added to the starter, the sauce. So much. Let's start with that. I think the chefs deserve a bit of a round of applause from all of us for them to come all the way down here, etc. But also thank you, Barry, for helping us out already for a couple of months with all your input and your expertise and for putting your name to it. I really appreciate that. We learned a lot, and we learned a lot today as well. Gourmet, the ingredients were okay, right? They were amazing. Thank you for bringing the whole truck down. And our friends from Liquid are not here, but they are providing us with a few of the other things, and they'll see it in the video, so we love you, Liquid. And then obviously I'm very happy with our judges, like the three of you, Mia, Barry, and overall it was really tough for them to decide. It's so close, especially because they had to do blind tasting. Normally you get the story behind it from the chef that presents. Thank you also for press coming down. I mean, come on, the three of them, like, we're gonna get so much coverage, we're gonna be world famous before you know it. And then obviously we know that a few of you brought their partners and loved ones, and that's always nice to see the support. Okay, let's start with this morning. This morning we did a bit of a, let's call it a fun team bonding thing, where we had 3 yacht chefs and 3 villa chefs. After tasting, tough, because you had to make a starter and a main. So they loved one of the starters, they loved one of the mains. They said, can we mix them up and say like, we'll combine those two because that would make the perfect dish. They said, no, you have to decide. So we got a nice little hamper with a few nice gifts in there. It's 3 of everything. And the winners of this morning are the villa chefs. Well done, guys. You can step up to get step up all 3 of them. We can take some pictures and give you our little surprise box. Congratulations, guys. Well done. For the second round, you met your signature main dish and you got the surprise box where you had to use at least 4 ingredients to make your dessert. Everybody gave number 1, 2, and 3 on the mains, then 1, 2, and 3 on the desserts, and everybody had all judges had a bonus point to be given for best presentation. They just gave the point. I added the points up, and I'm very proud to say that in third place, we had the prizes up there. Third place, Michael. So come up here. Jessica will hand you out your prizes. Well done. In second place, it was actually a tie with with number 1, but then Sydney had the decisive points. So Sydney, I'm putting the pressure on you, but the judges agreed with it as well, so it was like unanimous. In second place, Andrew. And Andrew, he was obviously struggling with the oven, but you made it. And the winner of today, I think it was quite anonymous. I mean, people thought that was like the best combination of 2 dishes. They also, if you look at the points, scored really well on the main and on the desserts. So I think the well-deserved winner of the first edition of the chef competition, Villa Chefs against Yacht Chef. Give it up for Daniela. Oh, a €1,000 cash prize.
Thank you very much.